If tax season felt heavier this year, here's something that'll actually help. So I call this my SMART check-in. It's a quick weekly rhythm that keeps your books clear and organized and keeps you ahead of next tax season. It's not complicated, but it does require that you be consistent. So first, check out from a snapshot view your cash balances and your bottom line or your net income. So it's not big judgments here. This is just a quick snapshot or a quick pulse check of your cash balances and your net income for your business. Next step is I would categorize anything that is sitting in uncategorized in your books. So this is posting all of those transactions into your books. You want to do this weekly. Don't let it build up. It'll get very overwhelming if you let these transactions sit too long, plus you won't remember what they are. So weekly is best here for posting transactions. And then the last step I recommend is to write down one financial question for your advisors each week. So this builds that kind of habit of thinking about strategy throughout the year and avoiding waiting until tax season when sometimes it's too late. But these steps, these weekly steps, this is how you stop feeling behind all the time and helps you make better, smarter tax decisions throughout the year. It's these weekly SMART check-ins that build healthy rhythms and keep your numbers very clean and clear. And if you want this kind of clarity throughout the year, consider enrolling during one of our enrollment periods. It's easy, just go to our website and schedule an intro call with us. We'd love to talk with you.